Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Owl, and welcome to one of my most favorite videos of the month, the SheetLoad Showcase. Each month I stop by and share a look with you at what my creative team has made with the latest SheetLoad of Cards. This is a great way for you to see their cards all in one place if you haven't gotten a chance yet to check out the videos, or just a nice recap if you've already watched them all. Once I'm done sharing today, you can visit the creative team's videos to find out more details on their sets. I will have the playlist linked at the end of this video and down in that description box. Also in the description box is everybody's links individually in case you just want to go to a specific channel or 2 or 3. Not only will I be sharing a look at the cards that the 2024 creative team has made, but I am also sharing a look at this month's guest artist creations and our 2 newest team members for 2025, Letty and Beck Ann. I know that if you haven't already, everyone would love for you to stop by, see what they created with the December 2024 SheetLoad of Cards, and leave them some love. In front of me is the set that I created this month. You can find out how to download the free printable in this month's debut video and see how I made my first set in this month's process video, both of which are linked down in the description box. Don't forget, if you are a channel member, you can check out the membership tab or the monthly blogs to find out how you can download the partial circle SVG to help you create your own set. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of the creations. Before I start sharing the cards, I did want to stop by and tell you about a couple special series on my channel this month. First up is my 2024 Crafty ADVENT live stream series. I'm going live at 10 a.m. Central from December 1st through the 24th to open up 4 Crafty ADVENT calendars, Tailored Expressions, Pink and Main, Spellbinders, and Gummy-a-Pan. Each day, viewers help me put together a new tag and sometimes even get to decide on which product I'll be using that day. The second series has to do with Crafty ADVENT as well, but this one is dedicated to the Spellbinders calendar for 2024. Each day on my channel, I have a quick pre-recorded video that shares the newest gift that I open and a cute little creation made with it. If you haven't seen this yet, I am putting together a little Polaroid or a little photo album using each day's gift. You can find both of these series linked in the description box below. Up first in today's showcase is new team member Letty of Party Planner Papery. For her December 2024 set, she created some Valentine's cards. I love those fun papers and those cute little focal points. Beck Ann of the Beck and Sam Crafting Fun channel is our other new team member for 2025. For her set this month, she went with a cute winter theme. I love how she has used the gingerbread and snowman faces in place of her partial circle. For her set this month, Ashley of the Mint Twist Cards channel created a SheetLoad of Christmas cards. For her, she has switched it up a little bit. Instead of using pattern paper in the background, she has used some coordinating cardstocks. Beth of the Bourbon Creek Crafts YouTube channel has also made a set of Christmas cards this month, but hers do have a couple fun twists. The first of all which is that she rotated it, and the second is these are actually postcards that she's going to put her family Christmas photo on the back of. A great way to use this sketch and save a little cardstock. Carmen, who shares over on the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel, created a set of Christmas cards as well. On hers, I'm loving the pattern papers, and make sure you check out her video where she shows you how she did some embossing to get a little bit more realistic looking light bulbs. Chelsea, who shares over on the Creative Chelsea channel, has created a set of adorable snow globe cards this month. I love those big focal points, and if you haven't yet checked out her video, head on over there to find out how you can download a free snowflake SVG. Danny of the Danny's Dreams YouTube channel has created a set of cozy winter note cards using the December 2024 sheet load. I love those cute little critters and all of the different plaids she has put together for her backgrounds. Karen, who shares over on the Karen's Crafting Company YouTube channel, has created a set of holiday cards this month. I'm loving the pinks and reds on her cards and how she has switched up the shape of her focal points. Toby of the Bitty Penny YouTube channel has went with a winter theme for her December 2024 sheet load. I like those vintage photo focal points and that fun faux envelope behind each of them. Up next and featured in this month's thumbnail is the set of Christmas cards that Yvette from the Yvette Olea Creates YouTube channel made. I absolutely love those fun papers and those adorable focal points. Those donuts are so cute. Amalia, who shares over on the Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia YouTube channel, went with the Christmas theme as well. I love those cute little snowmen and how she has doubled up on her focal point circles. Don't you agree that this was a wonderful way to finish out another year of sheet load? If you do, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Don't forget to go visit your favorites using the links in the description box. And until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.